Hello, everybody. It's Rick. I'm doing a follow-up. Um, I got proof here. Oh, you can reach me at rick0327 at me.com, me.com. Okay, so the earlier video I showed you these, the how everything's a forgery. And, I had my suspicions about the employers. I know I'm still fighting my pension to get my money back because they fought me tooth and nail. I mean, I showed them everything, and they would just blatantly lie to me. I showed them the laws that the support order not signed by a judge is a forgery. And these lawyers, and then they were ducking and dodging me. So I know there's a cooperation going on, meaning that these employers, what they are, I guarantee you, people from the Child Support Enforcement Agency, what they do is they reach out to all, these, big jobs, big corporations where they hire a lot of people, city agencies, and what they do is they also hold classes, okay? And what I found here on the internet is it's from the Child Support Enforcement Federal, the Health and Human Services website. Here's Commissioner Vicky Turetsky. All right, the partnership between the Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement (OCSE) and employers strengthen families by providing payments to maintain financial security. So what they're doing there is they're trying to insinuate by your cooperating and sending the support, you're participating in financial security, meaning the family. But watch what they do here, a little slick move. The primary and most effective way to collect child support is through income withholding, right? Remember, they tried to say in the beginning, oh, it strengthens families and financial security. Okay, get ready now. When families receive regular child support payments, the need for public assistance significantly decreases. That's the goal right there. Okay? Public assistance significantly decreases. That's all they care about. They could care less about the children. Okay? It's all bullshit. And now watch here. With cooperation from employers. You see what it says there? With cooperation from employers. Now, if they're bound by law, why do they need their cooperation? So, when your employer says to you, we have to, why are they saying with cooperation from employers? If the law says you have to do it. That's how do you think I found this? I found this, I'm trying to find a law. It doesn't exist. I can't find it. And what this is here, this is an outline where it's like a class. What they do is they have like a class where they're teaching employers what to do when they get the income withholding orders. And I'll show you. I found the page where they're like, okay, yeah, welcome to training notes. Welcome participant, introduce trainers and subject area experts. What this is, they're having like you don't have these job fairs, but it's not a job fair. It's actually like a training center for the employers, like payroll people. So they'll send like city payroll people, and they'll have like a big convention type deal going on. See, restrooms, snacks, and break room for lunch. You understand what's going on here? That's exactly what's going on here. They have gotten all of the big city jobs and agents, state, city, local, to participate in this. That's exactly what's going on here. And that's proof of it right here. Okay? And that's that key word. Cooperation. Why do you need somebody to cooperate if it's a federal law? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this link in the description box. And this is what you're going to use. I want you to look at this. You can use this now. With your interrogatories. I'm going to add it myself, but anybody that has interrogatories, you can still, if you already sent it to your employer, you can send another one. And you can just send in other questions. It's like, by the way, and here's another question. Are you bound by law or are you cooperating? They're cooperating. That's why I found it so difficult, and other people that I been in contact with this, like one friend of mine I met on here, he works for Dish, and they give him a hard time. Oh, we have to. They all say we have to, but there's no law. This other guy Terrence in Florida, the guy I showed you guys the payroll, and the woman in his payroll was like, well, we have to, because if we don't, then we got to pay legal fees and lawyers. That's all BS. That sounds like she's working off a script. Okay? So what these people did, they did the old guilt stuff. Well, you got, it's for the children, and obviously they must be painting everybody's deadbeats. Okay? So remember, we're close. And one guy reached out to me, and I didn't get the whole answer yet, but the Attorney General for Child Support is filed a motion for protection. Okay, you know what that is for? That they're filing it so they don't have to disclose the evidence that he's looking for, because it's like trade secrets. They don't want to disclose, proof. Like if they provide Joe, this guy's name is Joe, with the discovery, it might get out that if everybody just files an interrogatory and they can't prove it, the game is up. Why would they file that? All right, so everybody stand by. I mean, we're making progress here. We got James in Ohio on Wednesday. We got progress. Things are moving. I mean, a motion for protection to be filed with a court to ask a judge so they don't have to disclose discovery is pretty suspicious to me. All right, so I'm gonna leave this in the description box. All right, it's employer guide, child support. Well, it's too big. You guys see that? If you want to freeze it on your computer, just click on it after I upload this video. All right, I'm just kind of excited about this. This is outrageous, because this is something I've been looking for. What I really want to find now is the incentive payments to lawyers. That's the one I'm looking for. I'm convinced that these attorneys are getting compensated for talking people into doing the direct payment of support by garnishment, income withholding. You never know, I might get lucky. All right, guys, have a good night.